In this video, we're going to take a look at the easiest way to get data out of HubSpot and create a list in Excel. So I'm going to start by opening our ADEX for HubSpot tool. Once inside here, I want to get a list of all of our HubSpot users that have a lead score greater than 50 and have activity this year. So I'm going to start by selecting the contacts object. And then I'm going to start looking for the relevant field. So I want to look for the company name. I want to add the first name of the contact, the last name of the contact, let's get the email address. Certainly need the HubSpot score, so we're going to pull that one in. I also want to take a look at the number of forms that they've submitted. And lastly, I need that last activity date to make sure that we're only pulling customers that have been active within the last year. So now that I've selected all those fields, I'm going to come over to my Order Fields tab. And over here, you see that we have all the fields that we've selected. If I wanted to reorder them, I could certainly move them around in whatever order makes sense. And I can define the sorting. So I'm going to want to take the ones with the highest lead score first. So I'm going to make the HubSpot score descending the first sort. And then lastly, I also want the most recent ones to come within each HubSpot score group. So I'm going to sort on that one next. Lastly, I'm going to define my filters. So I want to make sure that I only pull leads with the HubSpot score greater than 50. So I'm going to click on the filter icon next to the HubSpot score and also for the last activity date. Clicking these filter icons adds them to this filters tab, which now I can come in here and define my filters. So I'm going to take HubSpot score greater than or equal to 50. And I also want to make sure that that last activity date is greater than or equal to January 1st of this year. So that's it. My query is defined. If I want to save it so that I can use it in the future and not have to go through the process of building it, I can just do a save as here. I'm going to say HubSpot leads. I'll save that. And now I can go ahead and run it. I click the run button and here's a list of all of my HubSpot leads with the relevant fields that I selected, including the HubSpot score, the number of forms, and the last activity date. I hope you found this useful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at sales@acbmsolutions.com. Thank you.